Well, to the foothills now, and concerns for flooding and mudslides there, especially in the burn scars.
CBS 13 Shantae Passmore live in Forest Hill, where the mosquito fire burned just months ago, tracking the conditions there. Shantae?
Yeah, we have been monitoring the mosquito burn scar all day, and weather conditions are just dynamic. One moment, nothing is going on, and the next, the winds are knocking, which is happening right now, and you will see heavy rain, although it is not raining right now. But as for debris flow, 3 inches of rain in a short period of time, that is the number to watch out for. I spoke to CAL FIRE to see what would it take for debris flow to happen. Efforts to minimize slides started even when the mosquito fire was burning, but Placer County is equally concerned about high winds knocking down trees and lines and blocking roads. Placer County OES tells me it does not anticipate significant flooding except for local flooding seen in the western part of the county. I asked Placer County Sheriff's Office, what's their message tonight to people who might dismiss the forecast? Multiple agencies have prepared for this winter storm, but as we saw recently, we've seen plenty of times when people did not follow evacuation orders or road closures.
They're telling us this is going to be a serious situation. We need to make sure that we're ready and to make sure that people are abiding by the road closures and making sure that they're prepared, and just don't take it for granted.
Placer County wants people to get familiar with 2 websites, and we have them for you. Placer Alert, which notifies you of any emergency alerts, and then there's Ready Placer, which gives you real-time information on road closures, alternate routes, and other emergency preparedness information. We'll have those 2 websites at cbs13.com on our own site as well. And we've seen trees swaying because of the strong winds that are picking up, like right now, bringing down some limbs. But if the soil gets even more saturated, 2 other concerns for emergency officials right now: roads could possibly wash out and rock slides.